Scoop 1337 Chycho, what's your opinion on fast food? I work a really busy schedule sometimes, which forces me to take that option. Don't eat the fast food, junk food stuff. Don't do it, especially if you're working a busy schedule. That means you're making a lot of money. You know what? Reduce your workload, eat healthier. That's going to save you. That's a better investment than trying to make a shit ton of money and bank it and try to get interest off of it. Because the number one reason that people declare bankruptcy in Canada, United States, and I'm pretty sure in Europe and huge parts of the world, is ill health. And if you're eating fast food, junk food, because there is fast food, like here, this is my snacks for today, right? Bing, bing. This is my snacks, right? This took a little bit of time to do the cuckoo part, right? I got, check this out. I got beets, right? So beets is pretty fast. All you got to do is just clean it, right? And then put it in water and cook it, boil it, and you get beet juice out of it. You can drink the juice. It's got all the minerals. Amazing. You can cook a huge pot, put it in the fridge, and eat it up. This is avocado. Crazy good food. And this is cuckoo, right? I got cuckoo recipes on how to cook them in our videos, right? The cuckoo takes a little bit of prep time, but I make enough to eat for 3 days, right? So I'm eating this for 3 days. Avocado with beets. Why go eat junk food like McDonald's or KFC? And oh my god, don't eat that shit. That'll kill you. Man, the noise factor in my neighborhood has gone through the roof. When it's not construction, it's all car alarms. Beets are so healthy. So healthy. Yeah, ginger and kurmama. Avocado is so good. I don't know what kurmama is, right? So don't eat junk food. Like really, do anything else other than eat McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, KFC, Denny's. Don't eat that stuff, man. That stuff will kill you. It turns your brain into mush, right?